Welcome to my YouTube channel Raza IT Engineering. This is my first networking introduction lecture in English today. So my name is Muhammad Muhtamim Raza, and from today I am going to give you beginner to expert level training in very simple and easy way. And my first topic is CCNA. An exam code of CCNA is 200-301, and my second series will be CCNP. And after completed the CCNP, inshallah I will try to start Microsoft series, and practical of CCNA I will perform with GNS3 and packet tracer. So the people who are interested in networking, they watch my videos, hear and understand. If there is doubt, they can ask and comment me in my comment box, and I reply to you in comment box also. If you want my video to reach you, so please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you can getting update of my new updated videos. So let's continue with this short message. If you want to make your career in networking, and also if you want to crack your Cisco exam, so I welcome you to our YouTube channel Raza IT Engineering. Friends, our target is networking. So before I start networking, we should know little about Cisco history. Cisco system was founded in December 1984 by two Stanford University computer scientists, Leonard Bosack and Sandy Lerner. And now this is a biggest multinational company in the world. Cisco produces switches, routers, firewall, IP phone and more networking devices. As you know dear, today whole world is running behind the technology, and information technology is very important part of it, and networking is like a backbone of information technology. This is a Cisco track: CCNA, CCNP and CCIE. The CCNA. Exam code of CCNA is 200-301. There are a single exam, and routing and switching are combined in this certification. And after that, the second is CCNP. That is the professional level certification, and then CCIE. This is a expert level certification. In this way, after passing CCNA, people select their careers. For example, after passing CCNA exam, they choose his career in security, they choose his career in voice over IP and others also. There two volumes are available for CCNA 200-301 exam. There are 29 chapters, and these 29 chapters are divided into 8 parts. First part is Introduction to Networking, second implementation of Etherlands, third implementation of VLAN and STP, and fourth IP version 4 addressing, fifth IP version 4 routing, 6 OSPF, 7 IP version 6 and 8 wireless LAN. This is a volume 1 of CCNA 200-301 exam, and this is a second volume of CCNA 200-301 exam, and there are 20 chapters, and these 20 chapters are divided into 5 to 6 part. And the first part, IP access control list, second security services, third IP services, that's called quality of services also, and fourth network architecture, fifth network automation. This is a new added in this CCNA certification exam. And don't be afraid guys, chapter wise completely I will explain with practical also. Exam duration of CCNA 200-301 is 2 hours, and Pearson's of View Certification Center is available for CCNA examination. You can go and attend the exam in this Pearson's Certification Center. and there are following topics of this examination. IP connectivity, there are 25% questions are available in this exam, and network fundamental 20%, network access 20%, security fundamentals 15%, IP services 10%, automations and programmability 10%. There are the questions in this examination. Friends, this is a CCNA official guide, and I am using this guide and I will advise you to follow this official guide. So for crack the exam, you watch my all videos. If you watching my all videos, then no need to go any institute for further study. Dear viewers, shortly I will upload my next lecture, networking fundamental lecture in Hindi series. So dear, don't forget to subscribe my channels and press bell icon so that you can getting update of my new updated videos. Thanks for watching my video.